comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Passive Income Ideas. Episode 14, Laundry Facilities Spin Your Way to Steady Earnings. Welcome back, moneymakers. Today in episode 14 of our Passive Income Ideas series, we're diving into the surprisingly lucrative world of laundry facilities. It's not just about washing and drying, it's about tapping into a steady demand and spinning it into a consistent revenue stream. So, grab your detergent, and let's clean up in the world of passive income. The laundry business has stood the test of time, proving to be an essential service in both bustling cities and quiet towns. With the right location and setup, a laundry facility can be a low-maintenance, high-reward venture. Here's how to launch and run a successful laundry business. Step 1. Market research. Understand your local market. Is there a high demand for laundry services? Are there enough college students, busy professionals, or families who might benefit from your facility? Step 2. Choose the right location. Location is everything. Look for high-traffic areas close to apartment complexes, colleges, or busy residential areas. Step 3. Plan your business model. Decide between a coin-operated, card-operated, or app-based payment system. Each has its benefits and target audience. Step 4. Secure financing. Calculate your startup costs, including machines, renovations, and operating capital. Explore loans, investors, or personal savings for funding. Step 5. Equip your facility. Invest in reliable, energy-efficient washers and dryers. Consider offering various machine sizes to accommodate different customer needs. Step 6. Design for convenience and comfort. Create a welcoming environment with amenities like Wi-Fi, comfortable seating, and refreshment options. Step 7. Implement efficient operations. Consider remote management tools for maintenance and troubleshooting. Hiring a part-time attendant can also improve customer service and security. Step 8. Set competitive pricing. Analyze local competition to set fair but profitable pricing. Offer loyalty programs or discounts for regular customers. Step 9. Market your business. Use local advertising, social media, and community engagement to spread the word. Collaborate with nearby businesses for cross-promotion. Step 10. Monitor and optimize. Regularly review your business performance. Look for ways to reduce costs, improve customer experience, and increase efficiency. Now, let's break down the potential earnings, factoring in costs and revenue. Imagine you've set up a mid-sized laundry facility with 15 washers and 15 dryers. Assuming an average of 4 cycles per machine daily at a rate of $3 per wash and $2.50 per dry, your daily earnings could be 15 washers x $3 by 4 cycles, plus 15 dryers x $2.50 x 4 cycles, equals $330. Monthly, this amounts to approximately $9,900 before expenses. After considering monthly costs like rent, utilities, maintenance, and loan payments, let's say you're left with $5,000 in net profit. It's a simplified example, but it illustrates the potential of a well-run laundry facility to generate substantial passive income. That wraps up our look at laundry facilities in today's episode. If you're ready to clean up in the world of passive income, give this video a like and hit the subscribe button for more insightful ideas. Join us next time as we explore another avenue for generating income with minimal ongoing effort. Until then, keep those income streams flowing, moneymakers.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.